Hi guys, today we learn about how to fix if Google Assistant is not working, not opening on your Android phone. So let's start it. First of all, open settings, open more settings, and now open app manager. And now open Google Assistant. First of all, you need to click storage, click clear cache and clear data. After that, just restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, you open Google Assistant and check Google Assistant app is working or not. If it is not working, then you need to uninstall Google Assistant app and go to the Play Store and install the latest version of Google Assistant. So this is how you can solve your problem if Google Assistant is not working, not opening on your mobile phone. So thanks for watching.